I'm Tracy with Plan Their Walk. So let me take you behind the scenes of my prayer journaling course. When you log into the prayer journaling course, remember this is a drip course, so you're only going to see 1 week at a time. You happen to see 2 here because it's been 2 weeks since I signed up. When you first sign up, you're going to get an email from Thrivecart. They will send you to a login. You'll log in and you will see the welcome. There are 2 videos in here. Let me show you what's going on. You click welcome. In the first one, you will just get a quick welcome for me about prayer journaling, and I give you the downloads, some prayer journaling cards that you can print out or leave in a PDF on your computer, a habit tracker, and your prayer journaling template if you would prefer to write on paper and put it in a notebook versus having a journal of some type. After you've watched and reviewed the welcome video and get your downloads, you're going to continue on to week 1. And in week 1, I welcome you to week 1 and talk about what we're going to do for that week. I give you 2 videos to help you figure out which kind of prayer journal might be right for you, whether you want to buy one or you want to make your own. And then I walk through the whole process of prayer journaling, how to use the cards, how to put it in your journal, what to think about as you're going through the journaling card. You'll again have the downloads for the journaling card, the journal template, the habit tracker, and I also gave you a list of 30 verses on prayer in case you would prefer to just look at verses and not go through the guided card. On the card you'll see it has day 1, it gives you kind of a theme, the verse, a question to think about, and then a sentence starter for your prayer. Okay, so that's in week 1. And when the second week comes, it will drop the second week module. So you would continue on, and here's what the second week module looks like. I've included a little bonus video about being creative in your journal. We talk about if you get stuck, what to do. And then I've included another download called Answered Prayers. After week 2, of course, then you're going to see week 3 drop a week after that, and then week 4. So let me pop over and show you what those 2 modules also look like. All right, so on the 3rd week, this one called Deeper Study will drop. And in this module, we're going to talk more about how to turn your prayer journal into more of a deeper Bible study, something maybe you do for a week or maybe longer. And I base that off a word study. And I give you some reminders about looking for answered prayers and what we're going to do the week. And then I give you a walkthrough of using a concordance, a hard copy concordance and an online concordance. And just to deepen that study for the week, if you would like, you can just keep going through the cards and doing those for the 30 days with the prompts and the questions and the sentence starters to get you writing in your journal. I give you a word study guide that will walk along with using the concordance. I give you a concordance guide, which just gives you the simple steps of how to use a concordance, and again, the answer prayer template. Now on the 4th week, so 4 weeks after you purchase, you're going to get the last module, and it's just keeping it going. Like, what do I do next? How do I expand my study? And just a quick video of saying you've done this and I'm so proud of you, which I am. And then if you need the answer prayer, again, there it is for your download. And then finally, if you're interested in going deeper in your study, this is a link to my word study course. These are the 4 modules in the prayer journaling course. I hope this gave you a good overview of what's there. And remember, again, this is a drip course, so it will come to you once a week after you purchase. This drops immediately, and then 1 week later, week 2, 1 week later, week 3, and 1 week later, week 4.